Hi guys, my name is Jazz and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I discuss everything fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today is going to be a haul, but it's going to be a fun haul. I'm sharing everything that I bought in Paris. I just came back from Paris about, I want to say now it's like 2 weeks. It feels like, you know, you plan a vacation and it goes by so fast and you're just like, damn, like, I was just in Paris. Now I'm back in New York. Nothing's wrong with New York, but I was in Paris. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought in Paris. If you did not see that vlog, I will put that up here so you guys can check it out. It's really a good vlog, and I'm not tooting my own horn. It's a good vlog. I went to Paris with my mom just to get away, just to kind of plan a trip for myself. I needed a break, as you all know. We all need breaks, so I wanted to shop, just enjoy, you know, discovering the city and shop, of course. And the shopping was good. It was good. The shopping was so good. Like it was time for the trip to wrap up because that's how good the shopping was. So I'm going to share everything that I got from Paris. Plus like a little winter haul of a few things that kind of came in shipment when I got back from things I had ordered. So I'll just include everything. But we'll first start with accessories that I got while I was in Paris, and then I'll get into the few fashion items that I got. This necklace is from Zara. This top, I'll show you guys more of it, is from Urban Outfitters, like a cutout cute sweater. But I'll tell you guys more about that. Let's first get into the accessories and the things that I got in Paris. So first, let's start with some sunglasses. So these are from Off-White. The thing about Paris is like you could be walking somewhere and then all of a sudden you're walking into like the best shops that there are. I will say one thing I loved about it was just running into like stores that I wasn't even thinking about, but just kind of running into, you know, the store. And then every associate that I shopped at was amazing, so nice, so great in their service. And I just love that. I think that was one of the best parts, like just being offered champagne everywhere you go, something to drink. I just loved it. So Off-White, I love the handbag. I forget the name of the handbag, but I love this handbag that I tried on in the store. And at this point, my mom was like, okay, you need to slow down. I was like, okay, you're right. You're absolutely right. So I just got these sunglasses. As you guys know, New York Fashion Weekend for this winter is in February, so I just kind of wanted to get some standout accessories that I know I will be wearing. So I saw these glasses and I instantly fell in love. They're like a red cat eye. As you guys know, the Lorvae bubble glasses were everywhere. And I actually have a dupe I'll show you guys for those, but I just wanted something different, but I still wanted like a cool red frame. Something particular that everybody didn't have. And I saw these and I instantly fell in love. Like guys, how cool are these glasses? I love them. They were about, I think, to USD, they were like $250. But I just love them. I thought they were so cute. They have the Off-White sign here on the side. I just thought they were oversized. I love the cat eye. I just love them. I just thought they were great. Let me know what you guys think, but I just love these. I instantly fell in love and I just thought they were super cool and cute. So that's from Off-White. The next thing, I had wanted this necklace because I saw it on, I think, Vicky Logan, and she had a code for Farfetch and then the code didn't work, so I was like, screw it, I don't want it. So I got it in Paris anyway, and it's Jacquemus. Jacquemus, I actually saw the store in Paris, and that's the first time I saw of a store, but that store had a line every single day. So I didn't go into the store just because the line would be like intense to go in, and I figured once I got the necklace I didn't really want anything else from the brand. So I picked this up while I was at Galeries Lafayette. They have like a whole kind of Jacquemus section. So I got this choker, which I love. It just fits my neck so perfectly. I'm sure you guys can't see it here, but I wore it here when I did a shoot recently, and I just love it. It's the perfect gold plated. I just feel like it's just, I like it too because you can layer other things with it and it just doesn't take over like your neck. Like this is Zara, and of course it's a little bit more obviously chunky. This is just so sleek. I just loved it. And again, when you're in Paris, you're just like, yeah, I like it. I take it, I take it, I take it. So this was just super cute, and it ended up being so much cheaper in Paris. It ended up being like $60 cheaper. And as you guys, if you're not aware, you get a portion of your taxes back at customs. So I was just having a ball over there. So this is the necklace from Jacquemus. It came in a box, but like when me and my mom were coming back, we had to throw all the boxes away because we wouldn't have made it back. Like we just had to get rid of certain boxes and just you know, consolidate so our luggage would be able to come back to New York. But it came in this little duster, so I just kept that, which was perfect. Now, I'll show you guys these other glasses, but let's just get into the big thing. So, if you guys didn't check out my luxury wish list for last year, I feel like I didn't get every single thing on there, but there was a big thing that I wanted, which was this YSL envelope clutch bag. Look at this gold, beautiful box from YSL. So I was able to get that, which I honestly was so excited about, because it's one thing to like get random things, but to get something that you actually wanted, it felt really, really great. YSL, I had a ball in there. I really wanted this tote bag from YSL, but it just was expensive. It was a lot cheaper, because if you guys are not aware, they have a price increase here, and this bag in US is $3,020 right now, plus obviously the tax, which will probably make the bag about $3,400. This bag was $24.25 in Paris, which is like, what, $600 off. Plus I get a portion of the taxes back, which is like another $300 off. So I got this for a steal. So let me just unbox it so I can show you guys. Take the ribbon off. This one box, I was like, this box is coming with me. I'm not leaving this box here, but you know, it has like the packaging, the Saint Laurent duster bag. This is my first time taking it out because I wanted to show you guys before I wore it. But it's the matte black on black YSL envelope tote. Let me know if you guys want to see like a more detailed review of it, but maybe I'll do that. But I love it. It's perfect. One thing I loved about it is that the chains are long. I can make it short just like this. It's all wrapped up now, but I'll show you guys. But the inside is just perfect. You can fit so much in it. The leather is beautiful. I love the black on black because I actually was inspired to get this from Politics and Fashion. She did a video on like YSL like a long time ago, and she was just talking about how overly priced Chanel is and like the envelope tote, and she showed this one and I just loved it because it's kind of like a take on that, but if you ask me, I think it's better. I love that it has the black on black, and I can wear it with any color accessories because I mix. I wear gold, I wear silver, so I love that. I love that I can wear it in my everyday life because I have a good handbag selection, but I have holes to fill before I go getting crazy things, and I just thought this was the perfect like hole filler. I can wear it out day to day. I can wear it to go out, and it's not too big, it's not too small. So I really, really loved it. Let me know if you guys want to see a full review on it, but it's gorgeous. Thank you, Ian, for helping me in the YSL boutique in Paris, but I'm obsessed with her. So let me put her back. So the next accessory I want to show you guys, I didn't get this from Paris, but I had ordered it for Black Friday because the brand had a sale, and the brand is called Lorvae. It's a black-owned sunglass business. I'm pretty sure you can't see the Lorvae on the box, but black-owned sunglass business. I think, how did I see this? I think I saw them on Instagram, and all the glasses for Black Friday were 40% off, so I was like, okay, why not? So I got these, and I just feel like they're perfect. I already wore them, so let me show you how I wore them here, but I wanted like a deep red that's like a plum. These are just perfect. They just fit my face perfectly. I already wore them. The quality feels amazing. It has like the Lorvae symbol on the side here, and I was obsessed. Like, they have these in the blue too, and I wasn't too sure because like I don't like to think so much when I buy glasses. I like to be like, oh, I'll wear that with this or that, you know what I mean? I don't want to think too hard. So these I loved, and I definitely want to get another pair, but I felt like these spoke to me because I know I love this kind of frame for what I like to wear. And I believe like regular price, these are like $70. So of course, if you are not into designer sunglasses and you want to check out a brand that's still pretty cool, definitely check out Lorvae. These are Unbothered, and I love these. So next, let me show you guys all the fashion stuff that I got from Paris. It's not a whole lot, but I want to show you guys. So I'm gonna switch rooms really quick. Hold on. So now onto the fashion pieces that I got in Paris. I didn't get a ton of stuff, but you know, if you follow along with me on Instagram, I'm the same name there. You probably saw, you probably already know what I got. So I went to Kith. Kith, of course, like I said, bought everything in Paris, was amazing. I would try on these pants from the Attico, and I got like a dupe for those pants from Zara, but I'll show you that a little bit later. But I got this coat from Kith from Stan Studio. Now, I always wanted a Stan Studio coat, so when I saw this, it was perfect. I have a Shearling coat, but I'll be honest, I got it a few years ago and I was being cheap and I got it in this small size, and it's so tight and small that I never wear it because I can't layer or put anything underneath, so it's like pointless. So I got this from Stan Studio. It's like a chocolate brown. It's a size 40, but it's the perfect size. The sleeves are long enough. It's cozy. I love it. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. It's so good. This came to about 400 USD. Of course, the tax I get back. But I just love it. Like, if it's still available, I'll link it down below. But when I tried this on, I was in love. Like, all my coats, for the most part, are pretty much long coats. That's my coat style, like a longer coat. So this one being a little bit cropped, I really am obsessed with that because I feel like that was missing. So let's get into it. I love it. So this is Stan Studio. Love it. I just fell in love with it. So when I tried on the Pintstripe pants from the Attico, as you guys know, the Attico is just an expensive brand. Like, you know, and not to shade them because I can't afford it. I just don't understand why it's so expensive, like, if that makes sense. And that's not me being a hater, but that's just me, you know, being honest. I'm like, those Pintstripe pants were about $1,200, like 1,200 euros just for the pants. No jacket, nothing. I saw the cargo pants, of course, that I love, that I've been duping, and those were 1,200 as well. Didn't think it was worth it at all, so I didn't get them, but I love the fit. So when I went to Zara in Paris, I got this Pintstripe suit. Of course, it's sold separately. I wore it here on Instagram, and it just fit the vibe of what I wanted perfectly. And this suit was like not even the suit together was what, $130 compared to $1,200 pants. Like, so I just felt like it was worth it. I believe it's still available. I know Zara Paris in Europe is different from Zara here. So I'm not sure if it'll be available, but of course if it is, I will link it down below. And the jacket and the suit, I got a size large because I wanted to be oversized. And then the pants, I got a size medium. I could get them taken in, but I feel like I have a little bit of room that I'm comfortable with, but I just love it. I love too that I can kind of make a statement with it, like I did on Instagram, and I can wear this to work and it'd be very appropriate for the office, like with a black turtleneck. It'll be super cute. So I love this, and I just felt like, why not? Let me tell you, the Zara in there is so packed. At one point, like, me and my mom were in there. She's like, let's go, it's so crowded. Like, it was like being in Times Square. Like, that's how many people were in the Zara. So I was able to kind of find this, you know, I don't even know how I found it, but it worked out. But the Zara shopping experience there I was expecting a little bit more. Even I had went into Massimo Dutti and I was expecting to find so many things at both of those places, but I prefer to shop Zara online, and I know Massimo Dutti has better things online. So I have two more things to show you, but these pants, I don't know, some of you guys may be disappointed in me, but you should not be disappointed in me. I think I made a really good decision. I really do. So as you guys know, here on YouTube, on my shorts, I asked you guys to vote if I should get the Maison Margela jeans, denim / jeans. As you guys know, I talk about the dupe all day long that I got from Pretty Little Thing that I am obsessed with, that you guys have bought, that I'm obsessed with. There is nothing wrong with those pants, as I still wear them. But you know, when I tried on, you know, the real thing, I was like, okay, like this is nice. They feel a little bit different. The leg is a little bit wider. And everybody's like, no, you're fine with the dupes. And I was like, you know, you're right. So I was like, I'm not going to get the same exact thing that I have since I love the Pretty Little Thing dupe so much. So I got the Maison Margela pants in white. Guys, I couldn't pass it up. First off, let's talk about the price difference. They were like, right now, these are about $700 on like Farfetch. They were like $500. I got the tax back. It was just a great decision, and I felt like since I love the style so much, I know I will wear them all the time. And plus, I felt like I can wear this now, like I wore it here. I can wear them now, and also I can wear them in the spring, summer. So I felt like I would get my money's worth out of them, and I just love them. So if you guys were wondering what I chose, I did get them, but I got them in a different shade, so it didn't compete with the dupe that I had that I already love. I got a size 44 just because I felt like I had a little bit more room in my waist. The 42 fit, but it was like a little snug, and I don't like to be, now I'm all about relaxed fit jeans. I don't want my jeans to fit tight and uncomfortable. So I got these and I loved it. And the next pair, that's all the stuff I got from Paris, but I just wanted to mention these pants just because I didn't want to miss out on telling you guys. You guys know I love the pants. You know I love the brand Manière, Devoir. I think that's how you say it. I just love their website. I think they have really cool, you know, unique pieces. You know, these cargos that I love are from there. I wear them all the time. They're like a legging for me. That's how much I wear them. So I saw these jeans and I fell in love with them from the website. Let me show you guys. I just thought they were awesome. I thought they were gonna go on sale on Black Friday. They did not go on sale, but I just love them. The details, like just the details of these two pockets on the legs, like just the zipper here. You can close the zipper and make it just this wash of pant, or you can leave it open and you've got like the things here. I don't know, I just thought they were cool. They were definitely my style, and I just love like the different little elements that they had to them that I just thought were super cool. So I got these. And that is all of the fashion that I got from Paris, plus a few things that I got in. Please let me know what you guys think about everything. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. And until next time, guys, be safe and be well. Bye.